Want to have a phone call with multiple people at the same time, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make conference calls on iPhone. Now let's get started. Note that the ability to make conference calls and the limit for how many people you can add will depend on your specific mobile service provider. To see about adding conference calls as part of your wireless service, contact your mobile carrier. To create a conference call on iPhone, begin a phone call as you normally would with one of the people you'd like to include in the group call, either by typing their number into your keypad or selecting someone from your contacts. Once they answer, you can let them know you're going to add another person. Then tap Add Call. Now you can select a contact to add to your call or tap Keypad at the bottom to dial a number. When the second person answers, tap Merge to create a three-way call with them and the first person you called. If you'd like to add more people, repeat the Add Call and Merge steps until all of the participants have been added. To remove someone from the call, tap the I in the top right corner, then tap End underneath their name. You can tap the red Hang Up button to end the call altogether when you're finished chatting. That's all it takes to make conference calls on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.